Before discussing trading ideas for 31st August, would like to mention that all the views mentioned in this video are for only educational purpose, and please if at all you want to trade, please take a professional advice and then only trade. However, I personally do trade on my these views, and some of my friends also may be trading based on my trading idea. But please consult your professional trading advisor before taking any trades. So let's move further for 31st August views. In Nifty, as we mentioned in last week, uh, it gave a expected move, that was a bullish move, and we have achieved the target of almost 11,700 because it made a high of 11,686, and still I feel that it is in a strong move, strong up move, and the next target that can be expected is 11,865 and 12,000 based on the current price action that we are seeing, and also the option data that is indicating that maximum call open interest is at 12,000 and 11,900, so this can act as a resistance. And also if you see, this is the previous natural resistance zone from where it has started its downturn during this COVID issue, and this was the previous swing highs, we can say, or a range in which the Nifty had moved in a longer span. So this will act as a good resistance, and now the Nifty can take a resistance or is approaching near this. So definitely, in my view, it can go up to this and then it can take a resistance at this level based on the previous price action. So similarly, we can expect a similar move at this time also. And uh, next stock is Federal Bank. Actually, in last week we had a very good move above 55.5. In my view, it was a buy, and once it went above this, again came down, did second confirmation, and when it broke this consolidation zone from where it had spent some time. So when this zone was taken out, it gave a immediate up move and a high of almost 61.15 was made. And now after taking this zone, actually it has taken out the previous resistance zone multiple times. It has taken a resistance at this level. So if you see chart wise, now there is no major resistance for this stock till it goes to 70 or going further to almost 80 level. So in my view, this can be a very good uh, buy stock with immediate stop loss of maybe around 55.4, because from this level it has moved, taken a support and moved up. So but if you see, this move was very fast move in a short span, so it is likely that it will take some retracement and come back to this zone from where it has given a breakout. And if it takes a support at this zone and again tries to go up, then that would be a very good entry, and we can expect, or we can say that the this breakout have given a confirmation once it takes a support at this level, and then we can aim for 80 as our target. So this can happen in few weeks. If this happens, then a good move can be expected and a very good risk reward can be there, because almost 20-point move, so that means almost 30% move can be expected on this stock, provided we trade as per the level. The next stock we are discussing is BHEL, BHEL. If you see, the similar structure is happening on this BHEL also. So a good consolidation has been taken place in this range of almost 34.4 to almost 43 level. So the stock has spent a lot of time in this range, and once it gives a breakout about this, then we can expect a good move. Immediate resistance can be 47, because this is the previous resistance zone where it has taken a resistance, and from here it has come down. So again, it can act as a resistance point, and going further, 52.7, again this is the zone from where it has given a breakdown, and going further, 60 can be the achievable level. So provided the stock gives a breakout above this level, now there can be two possibilities, or there can be multiple, but then if we discuss, there can be a broadly two possibilities: either the stock will go up or stock will go down. Suppose if the stock goes down and then again does some consolidation and spend some time over here and then gives a breakout, then this can be a very good entry with lowest point of this swing as our stop loss. So that means 34.5 can be a stop loss, and we can expect a buy position in this. Or if it doesn't come down and tomorrow maybe it gives a breakout above this and then spend some time and then try to goes up, then this can be a entry point. So based on the moment, we can have the entry point and also the stop loss. In first case, if we are trying to enter here, then 34.5 will be the stop loss, and if we want to enter after this breakout, then this lower range of this swing, that is almost 38.5 or 38.7, can be our stop loss, so that our stop loss is always small and we are having a very good risk reward ratio. So this can be a good trade in BHEL. Uh, this again is a positional bet, because we are seeing on a higher time frame, and if we want to take a intraday or smaller time frame, then again based on that we'll have to look for the levels to trade. The next stock can be NMDC. Here also, based on the option data, we can expect a good move tomorrow and in coming days, because again from structural point, if you see, uh, after this consolidation, the stock have moved up and it has given a breakout about this range of almost 94.9 or 95 level, and uh, now it is again after giving a breakout, it again came down and took a support at the same level and then went up. And once this level was taken out, almost 99.5, or we can say a broader range of 95 to almost 98, then it has given a sudden big move, and now we have to see whether this breakout is sustainable or not. If it comes down and takes a support at this level and then tries to inch up, then again this can be a very good entry point, and we may we may feel that we have missed this rally, but then if it comes down, then we can again enter and have a very good risk reward trade. Or tomorrow, if it doesn't come down and goes up, actually if you see from the option data, 115 is a resistance zone, and if it takes a resistance and come down and again tries to take a support somewhere around 100 to 105, then again that can be a very good entry point, because going further, once it crosses this 115, we can expect 130 and 140 also. So actually if you see from the option data, a short covering rally has happened. So whatever the shorts were there in the system, so all the stop loss and their position have been squared off, so that's why this rally is there. So now once all the shorts are taken out, we can expect that a fresh long build up happens, and the people like us who have missed this rally will enter and take this stock to further high level. So this is on NMDC. Another stock is SR SRTRANSFINANCE Limited. Actually, in this stock also, if you see, a good consolidation have happened in the range of almost 760 to 635 range. A lot of time this stock have spent in this range, and now it seems that it has given a breakout about this. So, but still, we have to wait to have a confirmation on this trade. But then the overall stock is in a very good movement, and once this level is taken out of 100 level, 100 level is taken out, we can expect a very good move, and we can expect a level of 1020 1165 in near future. And if it comes down, then again the 635 is a strong base, because the stock has spent a lot of time above this level or near this level in a consolidation zone. So 635 is a very good level. So at every dip we can accumulate this stock and aim for a target of immediate target of 1020 1165, and going further it can go beyond this 1300 level also. So considering this, it can be a very good risk reward ratio. We can treat it as a little medium term to long term stock. We can even consider this as an investment stock, because a very good up move can be seen. Even if we consider from here, that is 750 or 800 level to 1300, it's almost near to double. So a very good risk reward ratio can be there. Next stock is ICICI Prudential. In ICICI Prudential, again the stock is forming a very good structure, but if you see, this 461 has acted as a resistance, because this was the previous swing highs from where it has taken a resistance and came down. Again, when it approached at this level, it tried to challenge this level two times, here, but could not succeed and came down. So if it comes down and takes a support, because this should act as a good support, 440 level, because multiple times it has taken a support at this level. See, in previous swings also multiple times it has taken a support. So if it comes down and tries to give us some indication that it is taking a support, then this can be a very good risk reward ratio, because lower side we can keep this 440 as our stop loss and enter somewhere here, and then immediate target we can expect is 461 and going further 475. And if it doesn't come down and from here itself it tries to go up, then again we just have to look at our structures. We need some consolidation or some range, so that we can have a small stop loss, and based on that we can take a position and trade with this range or this consolidation zone as our stop loss. This should act as a good support range, because here the stock have spent a lot of time, and from here only, once it gave a breakout, it gave a very good up move. Now again it has come down to that level, so we expect that this should take a support at this level. So if it takes a support, then we'll enter in a buy position with the immediate target of 461 475, and going further 500 can be our further target. 500 level have come from option data. So this is the max call open interest for September expiry. So we can expect the movement to happen till 500 in ICICI Prudential. So these are a few stocks, almost 5 stock we have considered for tomorrow's position. Along with that, we can even trade in Nifty with proper stop loss. So wish you all the best.